Alright, here we go. Finishing up the Evolving Skies. Then we're going to start off with a Golden Energy card. Not bad. It's a pretty cool way to start it off. Alrighty. Let's do a reverse Pikachu. Okay. Not as cool as that Golden Energy, but okay. Wow. That Golden Energy was pretty cool to start off. I like it. Alrighty. You know how it is. You know how it is. We're going for speed. We're all about the speed around here. Ediclos. Oh, man. Sorry for the front camera, guys. I know better. But I was not thinking. Crappy cards, crappy cards. Alright, 3 packs left. And, ooh, a Sylveon VMAX. Ooh, there we go. Now we're talking. Match the other ones in the set. So we got Sylveon, Flareon, and Umbreon now. Okay, pretty cool. And of course, the Noivern V couldn't open up an Evolving Skies pack without the Noivern V. He's always in there. And last one for, whoa, whoa, this is weird. Reverse? They put the card in backwards. Nothing, but man, it creeped me out. The card was just in reverse. That's rare. Got it on film too. Huh, crazy.